Wow, take a look at this presentation. This is nice. Nice little box. Right and left. All your accessories are inside here. Look at this. Look at this carrying case. That's nice. Wow, that's really nice. So more earpieces and accessories inside there. I like this. This is nice. All right, let's take a look up close. Oh, I like these a lot. These look so nice. They look like they're really well made. Of course, we don't have any earpieces in yet. Plenty of length. Yeah, they definitely took care of their quality, like, of product, because you can see they wrap everything. Okay, let's test out the audio. All right, so due to copyright reasons, I can't let you listen to any audio, but I have been playing with it for about 15 minutes now. I've tested some gaming audio. I've tested phone call audio. So phone call, a Divers 2 game audio. I've tested some of my own music with bass. What I can say is the Treb is good, but Treb is almost always good for all earpieces like this. Comfortability, they're comfortable. They do seem to have some kind of noise canceling, because like you can, it definitely muffles a little bit. I don't know if that's a part of the package or not, but you definitely can. The bass is better than I expected for being such a smaller piece. So the bass is better than expected. I would say it's a little bit above average when you go for bass. I like the length of this, like, because you can easily have it in your pocket or even a second pocket that's near your knees if you are on the go with this. If you have it connected to something else, you can easily have something else on a stand and have it connected to. So I am very happy with this. Especially I tested it at my computer as well, and plenty of room connecting it from the PC directly to the earpieces. So overall, they get a Scott pass, which is Scott approval. When it comes to earpieces like this, I would rank them above, a little bit above average. Not the best in the entire world, but definitely above average.